Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling the auto brightness feature on Xiaomi phones. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Auto brightness will automatically adjust the brightness of your display based on the light levels around you. If you don't like this feature, it's possible to turn it off. Start by going to the Settings app. If the Settings app isn't on your home screen, you can get to it via the app drawer. In Settings, scroll down a bit and select Display. In Display Settings, tap Brightness Level. Here you can turn the toggle on or off to enable or disable automatic brightness. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.